Okay, so in this video I'm going to address a question that somebody had about if you can and how you can um, put 16 notes in the space of 1/4, which is a really tall order, I'll just warn you. Okay, so first, in order to get these, you have to select the measure, break it down into what type of note duration you want. I'll press 5 for quarter note, and then I'll go like this. I'll click the quarter note, I'll go up to add, I'll go up to tuplets right here, go to other, and then I will make the ratio. And I could put, what is that, 15? Okay, 16 over 1. Then I can get my quarter notes like this. That's how you do that. You just have to make sure you break the measure up into whatever note you're trying to fit in. I hope that makes sense. Take care, guys.